Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time for some practical Hakka right here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And this month, we're going to talk about something that everyone should be doing, 就是旅游啊。
错啊，旅行啊。
Traveling, that's right. We're going to be teaching you terms associated with traveling in Hakka. Well, sometimes we do have to book rooms. So let's say you're going to a hotel or a motel or a hostel, and you're going to reserve a room. 有可能是双人房，有可能是单人房。Maybe it's a single room, maybe it's a double room, right? 所以你要说我要一间双人房。
我要一间。
我要一间。
双人嘅房間。
双人嘅哦，双人嘅就雙人的，是不是？
對對，
天海都送，你知道嗎？
就是兩個人啊。
好，雙人嘅房間。
對，
okay, 房間 That's a room, so that means I want a double bed room, all right, or a double room, all right. 有的時候是單人啊，一個人去啊，就單人房就好了，對不對？那我要一間單人房。
單人房的話就是單人嘅房間。
哦，單人嘅房間 Okay, that's a single room. Now you check into the hotel. The clerk is going to give you the keys. 可能這個櫃台會給你說，這是房間的鑰匙。
也係房間嘅壽司。
我以為是蘇寫壽司。
那是吃的。
對啊，聽起來像壽司啊，不是嗎？It actually sounds like sushi, but it means keys in Hakka. Okay, 再講一次。
也係房間嘅壽司。
也係房間嘅壽司。
對，那海陸腔的鑰匙，壽司。
這樣子比較不會誤會是壽司了。壽司 Okay, that's a different dialect for keys. And finally, the front desk is going to tell you have to check out by 11 o'clock tomorrow. 就是明早11點的退房，對不對？那我們教一下大家怎麼說這句話。
天公早晨。
天公早晨。
11點以前。
好，11點以前。
退房間。
退房間 Okay, 退房間 that means check out 11點以前。就是
11點以前。
11點以前啊，有的時候我們會說拜託啦，12點好不好？
那12點，12點以前。
12點以前 Okay, that means before 12 o'clock. 天公早晨11點以前退房間 Right?
Yeah.
There you go. That's all about traveling. We'll have more this month, and that does it for today's Practical Hakka.
是母太嘎。
俺是谁？张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.